What's going on, everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you best and exclusive community in NFT space. And this community called Connectivity. Search, find, connect on every chain. Connectivity is community that helps collaboration managers connect and grow. Members have access to exclusive content, networking opportunities. The community is led by two founders, Jazik and King Hasbeck. This community is a hub for collab managers. And two founders, King Hasbeck, this is his Twitter page, and then the Jazik himself, collab manager, the founder, and he is the team also from Inferno Labs. This is like one of the best agency in the Web3 space. And I was fortunate enough to get my application accepted to be member of Connectivity. As you can see right here, member, and this is my application that was approved and I was able to join the community. So let's take a look at the community really quick right here. They're providing top-notch and exclusive content for their members. They find everything that you need to connect with a new project on early stage project info and then collab info, and you can get in super early before project is gonna get a lot of momentum. So if we scroll down, as you can see, like this one was posted like 7 hours ago. Most of the projects, like very top-notch projects, this one right here on February 5th. I would even recommend everybody just who's in NFT space, even if you're not a collab manager, just an enthusiast and you're just trying to grind for some spots, follow them on their Twitter account, so that way you can actually see and find which are the best projects coming up in NFT space, and maybe you can start following them, grind them, and get some spots like that, because they provide and find early and really good projects. And then if we scroll down more, see like on the January 29th there's another one, and you can just keep scrolling and scrolling and see all the top projects that are coming out. And if you are actually a collab manager, I would also recommend start following King Hasbeck and the Jazik, because on January 31st, this is when they open up a public application for the Connectivity. And everybody who saw that had a chance to apply and get into the group. And the best part about this group, it's free. You don't have to pay monthly membership. And I've been in top alpha groups in NFT space, and by far this is the best one. You have access basically to every collab manager in this space, exclusive content, early projects, top alpha, and everything else that you can think of. And periodically they have open spots available, and you can apply and maybe even get in. And let's jump into the Discord really quick. I'm just gonna show you a little bit of the actual Discord, but I'm gonna be blurring a lot of the stuff. That way I'm not gonna leak anything that I'm not supposed to. Right here, as you can see, Connectivity, search, find, connect. This is the top news and updates, announcement channel, sub announcement, official links, and then some pre-sales. This is where all the exclusive content comes from. Contact list. You get contacts from Ethereum projects from every chain, as they stated on their Twitter account. Sol projects, BTC, Base, Ape Chain, Bear Chain, Abstract, Monet, and then TBA, and then many other ones. Also, like I said, the Jazik also working with Inferno Labs, and they partner with other labs as well, and they're providing the best information or everything that you need to be a very successful collab manager. And then if we scroll down right here more, you can see the community here. This is the lounge. This is where you just go in and chat with other collab managers, new contact, connect requests, jobs. Then you report scams over here, super early alpha here as well, Twitter tracker, and then guides, supports. Also, they do giveaways for their collab managers for really high projects as well. You can find them here, enter and win. And then they have two different calendars, one of them from Alphabot, another one from Mythify, just in case if not all the projects are listed at Alphabot, you can find them here as well. Then roles and then Sol giveaways. And this is just a quick peek of actual Connectivity Discord channel. If you'll be able to get in, this is where you're going to be able to find all exclusive content. And like I stated earlier, Connectivity is made to provide exclusive content, network opportunities, helps you grow, connect, and much more. And there's one last thing I want to show you guys from this channel right here, new contact. Look at this right here. Happy new week. I'm handling collabs for this project and this project, DM me if you need spots. So imagine if you are a collab manager and you are in the connectivity group, you will have exclusive access to most of the collab managers out there that actually looking for people just like you to work and collaborate and provide whitelist spots. So instead of getting to Twitter DMs, Discord DMs, and much more, you'll have this access within connectivity. This is pretty much dream of every collab manager. And this is it. All the links I'm gonna leave in the description below, and I would recommend follow Connectivity, Jazik, and then King Hasbeck. Even with being outside of the group, just by following this account and Jazik, you're gonna be able to get still a lot of early content that has been provided for Connectivity members. Good luck to everybody who's gonna try to get into the Discord, and thanks for watching.